Okay, so I did trade yesterday. I took one trade in gold in the morning, and because it was my not my session, so I wasn't confident enough, and I didn't commit to the trade. Otherwise, that was a golden trade. But fine, it went 1:30. I could have passed the account, but it's okay. Things happens. And in the new session, I was not planning to trade, so I didn't record it. But ultimately, NQ was looking great, so I took a trade in NQ. And my balance, as you can see here, is 850. So we are down 3%. And trade history, there are some extra trades over here and there. This is the trade history so far. And let's see what today we have. Gold is volatile, so it's good for us. We can get good trends. So GBP in daily, it's around its opening price, big tail to the upside. So I'm not expecting it to go give a big move. So if anything is there, let's see. I might go with only half quantity. 4 hour, you can see the strength. This was a good candle, but the next candle was very strong. These 3, 4 candles are not that strong, but the red candles are strong. This was a doji and it's going down. So overall trend is bearish. 4 hour, this is a very strong candle. In 1 hour, these are a very like a weak candle. So, but these 4 candles are stronger than this overall trend. The strength of the candle matters. That can like if the same momentum would have happened from here and the correction would have taken this long, then you can tell that yes, maybe buyers are strong. But here you can see the buyers took a very long time to just move from here to here. Then in 4 candle, it got swept. The current candle is strong, but still it took out 1, 2, 3 candles. So yeah, it is strong. Let's see the low time frame. 59 break of structure has already happened. I would not like to trade. Okay, we won't trade GBP. It's not looking good. It's around its opening price, and the here the buying strength is there. So let's do it. It's not looking good. Same euro around its opening price. 4 hour. Okay, so 4 hours is looking good because 1, 2 doji candle breakdown. Let's see 1 hour. 1 hour is also bearish. So yeah, we can trade euro for the downside. You can see a breakdown over here. If this okay, that is still half an hour for the candle to close. Strength is there, but in half an hour it will close below this. I want to retest. Pattern is good. 50 minute. We have a 50 minute FEG which we can trade. So euro, my plan is for downside, and I need a 50 minute. What is 5? Okay, so nice. I need a 50 minute FEG retest and 1 minute break of structure. That's the plan. There is still 8 minutes. If it closes around here, then retest the FEG. Then we can trade for the downside. And JPY. Okay, this is good. It is bullish. It has a big wick, but fine. It is still bullish. It filled this gap yesterday, and let's see 4 hour looking good. This was a strong candle. It held for one candle. Current candle has no wick. That it can give a very good momentum for the upside. So the opening level of the 4 hour candle is important. 1 hour great, gave a breakout, and this level is very important. So yeah, 15 minute, nice. It doesn't look like that it will give a retest of this FEG, but let's see if we have 5 minute breakout structure. So if I'm okay with both JPY, 50 minute FEG, if it doesn't retest, then a 5 minute breakout structure, then a 1 minute breakout structure. That's the plan. If the current candle closes, if the next 2 candles closes above the swing, then I will look for the retest and that I'll trade that. 50 minute looking maybe okay if it gives a 5 minute breakout structure over here and doesn't because this can act as a magnet and it can cause an essence, then I will go two-third or half quantity. Let's see as per the trend. If the 1 minute break of structure is very strong, then I will go two-third quantity. Otherwise, I will go half quantity. And if it closes around somewhere around here, then immediately comes to retest this FEG. Then I will trade with full quantity. Gold, okay, bullish. It is in the daily FEG. How much had it fall? 90%. It is still continue for downside. It is just a pullback. 4 hour. So today it is bullish. Overall trend is bearish. Okay, retest, retest. This was almost a doji candle, so this candle should have went for the higher side, but it's going down. It held for quite a while over here. Then this is not a great breakout, but it should have. If this, it's not looking good. It is in this range so far. So it looks like it's still bearish London because the NY session will make it first. So if it gets the breakdown of this zone, I would prefer to sell. Overall trend is bullish today. It is, but I will go with half quantity. I have the confidence that it will fall, but because we have to also follow our plans. So because the daily trend is upside and the overall trend is bearish, that's why I will go with two-third quantity or half quantity. Let's see, depending on the chart. Right now, okay, so 15-minute, it hasn't given a break of structure. This is also important level, which because if it closes below this level in 15 minutes, then we will have a 15-minute order block. This can be a total swoop, and it was, yeah, it swept the London high, so it's looking good. So I will go with two-third quantity. Maybe with full quantity, it's not looking bad. I can go with full quantity. Okay, it made a hammer, so but it didn't continue. Fine. If we talk about the strength, buying strength was over here, selling is also there. Okay, fine, sideways breakdown. Strong candle, weak candles, strong candles, sideways, weak candles. Okay. The current trend, you can see the buyers are getting back in the game. Okay, so what we want is in gold, we are bearish. There are wicks, so this is order block, but it's not looking good. 15-minute. First, I have if the current candles make a green candle, then that would be a easy place to trade because the next candle can be a break of structure. Okay, so 55. Okay, it's 3-minute. Not bad. Okay, so this can be the manipulation. We have the FEG over here, but still for confirmation, I will wait for it to close below this swing. I can also trade the FEG, but one second. I want a confirmation because the daily trend is strong, bullish. So yeah, so our plan for gold is 1 minute break of structure in the off the swing. In 1 minute, it can we can also trade a 1 minute break of structure over here in 3-minute FEG, but I'll still wait for the 1 minute. If a 1 minute candle closes below the swing, then I will add this. So 1 minute break of structure, simple as that. And we can go with two-third quantity. That is good enough. If the trend is there, then we can make a good money. Maybe 1:4 or even more. Okay, so okay, this is not looking good. A big wick for the upside. It is around half the level where from it started today. Okay. Overall, I think it can come to retest this level. Yeah, it is been very volatile. How much has this one fall? Okay, not much. 4%. It might make a hammer for the day. Inverted hammer. Okay, so daily you can see the trend in 4 hours. There is very big strength. Then also, all right, the seller strength is not there. 4 hour, and it has already tested the 4 hour order block, but it's not respected that 4 hour order block. The strength for bike is there. This if this was a strong momentum, then I'd prefer to sell. But yeah, this is not bad. The current candles are also looking good for sell side. This was a very strong candle. If it's not holding, then yes, it is bearish. Okay. If I had to, then I would prefer to sell because this was a strong candle. If it's not holding, then yeah, buyers might give up over here. 15-minute. Yeah, this is something. I will go with half quantity in NQ. It is looking good. It's not bad, but no, I will go with two-third quantity in NQ. We are the first sells. And gold, what was our price in gold? Was it full quantity? 15-minute. Okay, so now it's moving up. We might not even get a trade in gold. Final break of structure, we can wait for that. 1 minute is good. Okay, so the retracement in 500 FEG, that's a good sign. I can trade 1 minute break of structure over here. So fine. I will go two-third in gold. And NQ also, I will go two-third. That's good enough. 5 minute, 15-minute. This is a continuous fall, so I need a 5 minute retracement. Okay, so we had the 5 minute order block. So I will trade the 5 minute order block. NQ, our plan is 5 minute order block and 1 minute break of structure. And I will go with two-third quantity. So yes, market, 1 minute is still there for market to open. We would the GBP, Euro is was good. Let's see. Euro. JPY. A plan for euro was to sell. It has given quite a momentum. Okay, I'll keep the major pairs over here and the others in the gold and NQ. Gold is moving up, so that's not that important. JPY, still there is a big room. Okay, it is bullish. And over here, I will keep NQ. 5 minute break of structure. Okay, if the FEG is retested, then also we can trade. Let, okay. Let's see. This can be over. Okay. In JPY, it gave a break of structure for the downside. That can be a good manipulation. Okay, it has retested 1 minute break of structure in NQ and I will enter. And yeah, it's about to give a 1 minute break of structure. Two-third quantity in gold. There is a big room. I need in JPY, I need a break of structure over here because it has already given a downside break of structure. So, okay, so NQ is it's going fast. I need to do it first. 106. 087. Okay, fine. Let's see what's the SL 30 or I buy with the full quantity. Fine. It moves fast. So, and what about other pairs? If it's going fast, then I will hold. Euro, let me check Euro. Okay, so Euro, we are bearish and it's going up, so we won't trade Euro. Okay, it's in the 5 minute order blocks. 15 minute FEG. What was the bet? 15 minute FEG, which it is in 1 minute break of structure, and I will enter in Euro. Gold, there is still room. Can you target? What in the target of entry? Let me just okay. So my entry was around here, back 800. Okay. Here SL is somewhere around 35, 37. Okay, gold is also moving down. Gold was plan was 1 minute break of structure. But it close. Still time. Gold. JPY. Okay, we might not also trade JPY. Let's focus on gold. Okay, it is giving the breakdown we wanted. SL still two-third. No point. Set SL. I went with two-third quantity in gold. Our entry is over here. I might have the SL is quite big, but 21. How much? 12, 15. Fine. 15 points. NQ is going fast, so I might hold it for a bigger target. Let me check this thing. Euro is going up, so we might not trade. It has already okay, so we can target this. I will trade in 5 minutes. NQ looking good. But we have still there is room for 1 to 3. 5 minutes. Our SL is also fine. I like SL of between 25 to $35. 1 to 3. JPY. Okay, JPY we were bullish, but it's going down. So we won't trade. Let me- The plan was 15 minute FEG. It is in the 15 minute FEG and the 1 minute break of structure. The momentum is for downside. If it comes around its opening price, then I can enter in the JPY. This can be a manipulation, and if it comes back to the opening price, then I'll enter. Okay, actually in gold, if it gives a 1 minute break of structure, which is then I will add quantity and trail the SLS 1 minute entry SL 0 point. I can't because the lot size won't make nice. So I will keep my SL at half. Fine, let's see. We're still This is my asset over here, swing. And yeah, these are the two active trades. And feels looking good. 15, 30 minutes. Yeah, 1 to 3 is a good target. Okay, gold is giving a breakdown. I will add one quantity. The SL is still 2/3 in gold, but I have trailed the. I might just stopped out, but fine. Yeah, we will get stopped out in gold. Then 5, let's see. Here you can see the open trace. Okay, almost. Okay, we got stopped out in gold. One SL. Second lot is okay. We got stopped out in gold. If it moves from here down, then yeah, it was a bad choice to add the con. But we are done. I won't mess around with gold anymore. I added one quantity over here where it looked like it's gonna give a breakdown and trailed over here. Now it's moving down. So if it moves, then yeah, this that was my mistake that I didn't put the SL properly. So that's on me. Yes. 1 to 2 already in NQ. See, we don't have any more trades. Okay, JPY move. I would last time I matched up by taking two trades in a same pair. This was my mistake. It's looking good for the downside, but I won't add any more. 1 to 3 almost. JPY is moving up again. So we will take entry if it comes around its opening price. I hope this goes up. So my probability it goes fine that ultimately it was an asset. If you see the proper trade would be a 1 minute break or structure. See, there is no strength in the buying. So yeah, it can come around till the 50% of this month, then give a breakdown for the downside again. This is still bearish. It might look bullish, but the strength is not there for the buyers. The sellers have the strength. So it's still a high probability trade for the downside. Yeah, this candle, if it closes around here, then yeah, the strength is there for the buyers again. And euro is going up and they gave up a little bit, but fine. So we might only take one trade, 1 to 3 almost achieved. GPY and I've seen if there is a good momentum, then I should wait. And but yeah, I will. This is a good place. Yeah, I will exit at 1 to 3. That's good enough. $90. All I can sell in 1 minute. Good that it went up. So at least we didn't. Okay, so JPY and euro. We this is the only trade that matters. So this got stopped out. Doesn't matter anymore. The more you look, the more you can mess. So this is the open position, and this is our. I will trail in 1 minute. A break of structure. This is our last trade, and I will keep my SL to. So I have trailed my SL over this 5 minute somewhere 8 over here over this thing. I have trained my SL over here. See, the momentum is there, so I will hold. Maybe 7, 1 minute. So we have already achieved 1 to 3, but if there is a room for momentum, let it. Alright. The problem is it's a swing over here, so I don't want to hold. Okay, let's book. Let's see. 93. I would say in 1 minute. It might sweep and then continue for the. I'm trading over the swing 1 minute paper structure. I think I should exit. Like yesterday also, I seen I'm not. I'm still learning to how to hold good trades because when the trade moves in your favor very fast, then you should hold it. But I don't like to not follow my plans. I have to add this in my plan. That's the only way I can do this. So it is going down. I'll exit. I'm still not holding. 88, 35. So I trail it to 1:2. Let's see. Okay, it's moving. This candle has no wicks. Okay, nice. That's good. Good. So it does help you. See, that's why I tell that I still have to practice this one. We made a good one in more than 150 and I will exit. I should trail in 1 minute. This is actually more than enough, so I should exit 140. Let's see how much it takes. We have already got our 1 is 2, 3. Okay, I'll exit. 130, 120. I will trade it at 150. Okay. I'm trading. So now I have booked 120 at the least. We will make 120. My trailing is above the swing over here. Right now, I'm trailing sailing over here. Might get stopped out, but we have already made 1 is to 4. So this is just I'm trying to learn new things. Yeah, we okay. So we got stopped up. Fine. We made 1 is to 4 where we used to make 1 is to 3. So that's not a good trade. And our balance, as you can see, it is 950. So we are down 1%. And it was a great session. Today we made history. So we made almost 2%. Is it the FEG can continue for the downside, but we got more than can wish for. Yeah, it retested the FEG and it can continue for the downside. But we made 1 to 4. That's fine. It covered the losses of the gold. So nice. Balance we made 2%. And that's it. We are getting back on the track. We matched up once. And I don't want to mess up again. That was a good lesson that we got on Friday or Thursday where I lost more than I should. If I would have not messed up overs then I might have passed the account. But fine. That will help me in the longer run. And I see you tomorrow. Bye.